How to fix Bluetooth audio not working on Samsung A17. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on this first option, connection, and click on Bluetooth. So turn on Bluetooth mode and turn off Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume down button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on general management and click on reset. Scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin. Click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.